Go to Start, open Python IDLE, use Ctrl+N because you can't work on Python shell, close the Python shell. Now type x is equals to input function bracket num1 then same for y is equals to input function, but this time use num2 bracket, then bracket close. Sum is equals to integer x plus y. Now next print bracket the sum is inverted comma then single comma then sum bracket close. Now can save Ctrl+S. Here I am saving it on desktop, adding two numbers in Python. Here we can see here it is on desktop. Now let's run it. F5. Here you can see num1 45. Next number 45. The sum is 90. As you can see. Thank you for watching.